Hi, welcome back to Engineering Drawing. I'm your Dr. Vasu. Here you can find other interesting subjects as well along with the engineering drawing. Do subscribe the channel and get alerts. Now, in this video, you are going to see a hexagonal lamina surface making angle with both the planes. Now let us see how. A hexagonal lamina of 30 mm side length is given, resting on one of its edges in HP. That means it is something is there on the horizontal plane. Its surface making 30 degrees angle with the HP. Okay. Now, so this is the surface is making angle with the HP. That's why plane is taken like this initially in HP. Surface angle is shown, and the edge on which it is resting on HP, this is edge which is resting on HP, is making an angle 45 with VP. So this edge here, this edge is making 45 degrees angle with the VP. So this is a final position of the plane lamina. So it's the front view and the top views are seen like this. Now let's draw the projections. So take the plane initially parallel to HP or in HP, because its surface is making an angle with HP. So take the plane parallel to HP or in HP, because something is resting on HP. So fine. Next, how? Whether you take the edge perpendicular to VP or parallel to VP. That's the next question. Here, one of its edges in the horizontal plane. To get an edge in the horizontal plane, take the edge perpendicular to VP. So that is another condition. So in this condition, in this position, we draw the hexagon. So mark the points, show the dimensioning. Let's draw the front view now. Draw projectors from all the points. Draw the front view. It's a line in the front view because it is in the horizontal plane. It appears like a line in the front view. Mark all the points in the front view. Now, we have to tilt the plane to show the surface inclination with HP. Here, one of its edges is in the horizontal plane and the name is not mentioned. So, here on the left side or right side, we have edges. So, you can lift the plane upwards like this or like this. So, it is up to us. Now, let's draw a line here at a 30 degrees angle, right? Such that the surface is now making 30 degrees angle to HP. Mark the same points here in the front view. So we have just reproduced the redrawn the same figure here in this position. Let's draw its top view. Draw projectors from all the points. Draw horizontal lines from these points. Mark the intersection points here and join them by straight lines. We get the top view. Now, here the edge on which it rests on HP, the AF edge is on the horizontal plane and it is perpendicular to VP. It is making an angle 45 with VP. It is now making for perpendicular. It is now perpendicular to VP. Now it is actually making 45 degrees to VP. So draw a line here at 45 degrees angle. On this line, you take this AF edge. So AF edge is taken on this line. And the same top view is redrawn here. When you redraw the same top view, we get the top view like this in a different position. Absolutely, there is no difference at all from this top view and this one. Only the position is changing. Now, we got the top view here. From this, we draw the front view. How? Draw projectors from all the points here and draw horizontal lines from these points. Now, you get the intersection points. Mark them A, B, C, D, E, F. Join all the points by straight lines. We get the front view. So this is the hexagon appearing like this in the front view, and this is the top view. The final projections of the hexagon satisfying all the given conditions. Now, Let's take another one. Hexagonal lamina of 30 mm sides resting on one of its corners now. Its a corner is resting on HP. Its surface making 30 degrees angle to HP. So corner should be lying on the horizontal plane, and this here it is the corner. Here this side we get the corner. The corner is in HP. Surface making 30 degrees angle with HP, and the diagonal passing through the point on which it rests on HP is appearing to be at 45 to VP. So the diagonal passing through this, right? Passing through this corner, that is this diagonal, is making an angle of 45 degrees to, is appearing like 45 degrees angle to VP in the top view. So in this position, we have drawn the top view. The front view will be like this. So the final position of the hexagonal lamina appears like this. Let us see how to draw these final projections step by step. First of all, we have to take the plane. The hexagon should be drawn. Where? In the front view or in the top view? Its surface is making 30 degrees angle with HP. So the plane must be taken in the parallel to the horizontal plane or in the horizontal plane. Okay, let's take the plane in parallel to HP, suppose. And how? Whether you take this edge perpendicular to VP or parallel to VP like this. Here, one of its corner is in HP. We want a corner in the horizontal plane. We get the corner only if you can take this edge parallel to VP, then only you get the corner on the left side or right side. Of course, here in this case, because of even number of corners, we get a corner on left side and also on the right side. So here we got the corner. So like this, we have to first decide where to draw. Now, show the dimensioning. Now, whether this plane is parallel to HP or in the horizontal plane itself. It is resting on one of its corners in HP. That means we have to take the plane in the horizontal plane itself, like this. So, draw the front view. Here we got a F corner on the left side, C corner on the right side. Now, next, we can show the surface inclination. Surface angle is 30 degrees with HP. Let's take the corner F in the horizontal plane. That means C is lifted upwards like this. And we draw the same figure here at 30 degrees angle. The same front view is reproduced here, redrawn in the new position at 30 degrees angle. We got the front view. Draw top view. How? Draw projectors from all these points and draw horizontal lines from these points. Mark the intersection points here. Okay, so you get the top view. Now, here comes the other interesting point. A diagonal passing through the point on which it rests on HP. Point resting on HP is F. Diagonal means here, suppose if you take these opposite corners, line joining these opposite corners is called the diagonal. So CF is one diagonal, BE is one diagonal, AD will be one diagonal. Out of all these three diagonals, we are interested in only one diagonal. That diagonal is passing through the point on which it is resting on HP. Resting point is F here. So the diagonal passing through F is FC. So we are interested only in FC. So FC is appearing at a 45 degrees angle to VP. So let's draw a line here at a 45 degrees angle. And on this, we take this CF, okay, or FC. FC is taken here, okay. The same top view is reproduced here, taking that the point C and F will be on the line here, 45 degrees line. Okay. So this actually, if you observe, this FC is already making an angle some angle 30 degrees with the horizontal plane. Now, this line which is inclined to horizontal plane is appearing here. This part at 40 is seen at 45 degrees angle in the top view. That means this 45 degrees angle will be the apparent angle. If the line is parallel to the horizontal plane and if you see it in the top view, then it will be the true inclination. But here the line is already making an angle with HP and you are seeing that inclined line. This line FC is already inclined. How do you say? In the front view, it is seen at some angle. Also, in the top view, this FC length is not equal to its original length. It is shortened, less than its original length. That means it is making some angle with HP. So, this line which is already making angle with the HP is seen here at 45 degrees angle, means this will be the apparent angle only. So we have taken the FC on this 45 degrees line and now we mark these other points, other 4 points, A, B, D, E. Join all the points by straight lines like this. That means we have just reproduced the same top view here by just rotating, tilting a bit towards anti-clockwise direction like this. We have got this position. So this is the top view now. Let's draw the front view. Draw projectors from all the points here, A, B, C, D, E, F. Draw horizontal lines from these points. Mark the intersection points here, A dash, B dash, C dash like this. Join all the points by straight lines. You get the front view. Okay. So here we got the final front view, final top view. These are the final projections of the plane, a hexagonal lamina, when its surface is making angle with both the planes. Okay. Hope you had understood this topic very well. If you have any queries, any questions or suggestions, please do comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.